The contact foot is the part of your nail gun that you press against the roof to release the safety prior to firing the gun. The metal contact foot will wear over time from rubbing against the abrasive shingles. The foot can be bent or cracked if the nail gun is dropped. Replacing the contact foot is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine. With the magazine removed, now I can remove the Nosepiece cover. Now I can remove the old contact foot. It's secured with one screw. I'll remove the spring from the safety and then the screw. I'll slide the new contact foot onto the Nosepiece and align it with the linkage. Then I'll secure it in place with the screw. And replace the spring. Now I'll reinstall the Nosepiece cover and finish up by reinstalling the magazine. And that's how easy it is to replace the contact foot on your roofing nailer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.